Knowledge elites. Headphones are recommended for better experience.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Himanshu Goyal and welcome to Knowledge Elites. आज हम यूनिट रिप्रोडक्शन का सेकेंड चैप्टर का सेकेंड पार्ट दैट इज़ ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन का फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम ये हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं। इससे पहले मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर हम लोग जो है फर्स्ट पार्ट में कवर कर चुके हैं, उसको आप प्रीवियस वीडियो में जाके देख सकते हैं और इसका लिंक मैंने जो है ऊपर आई बटन के अंदर भी दे दिया है। Now coming to next part that is gametogenesis, menstrual cycle and further we are going to cover in next parts. Please do watch those too. Now we are coming to female reproductive structure system that includes pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct and a uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia. All these located in pelvic region and mammary glands are integrated structurally and functionally to support processes like ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, birth and child care. Now it is a basic anatomical diagram of pelvic region of human female. You can see the some of the parts which are said in the last slide into this. Now we are coming to ovaries. What are ovaries? These are primary female sex organs that produce the female gametes, that is called as ovum, and several ovarian hormones. Ovaries are located one on each side of the lower abdomen. Each ovary is about 2 to 4 cm in length and connected to pelvic wall by and uterus by ligaments. Each ovary is covered by a thin epithelium which encloses the ovarian stroma. It is divided into two parts, peripheral cortex and inner medulla, as you can see in the diagram. Now what the diagram covers: first is germinal epithelium, then second is a cortex and medulla that combined form the stroma, and the third is tunica albuginea, that is the outer covering. We are going to cover it in future as you know in the ovulation. Now coming to oviducts, that is also called as fallopian tubes. Each fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 cm long and extends from the periphery of each ovary to the uterus. The part closer to the ovary is the funnel-shaped infundibulum. The edge of infundibulum possesses finger-like projections called as fimbriae, which helps in collection of ovum after ovulation. The fimbriae is finger-like structure. As you know, hand are used for grabbing something, then fimbriae is also used for grabbing ovum from the ovary. Now infundibulum leads to a wider part of the oviduct called as ampulla. The last part of oviduct is isthmus, has narrow lumen and it joins the uterus. Now you can see the diagram and we are proceeding further. Then we are coming to uterus. Uterus is single and also called as womb. Shape of uterus resembles to inverted pear. It is supported by ligaments attached to pelvic wall. Uterus opens into vagina through a narrow cervix. The cavity of cervix is called as cervical canal, which along with the vagina is called as birth canal. The wall of uterus has 3 layers of tissue. The first is external thin membranous layer, that is called as perimetrium. Then second is middle thick layer of smooth muscles, that is called as myometrium. Then third is inner glandular layer called as endometrium. The endometrium undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle. We are going to cover it in menstrual cycle part, that is coming in further videos. Now that myometrium exhibits strong contractions during delivery of the baby, that is parturition. We are also going to cover it in the future videos. Please stick to this channel. Many videos are coming. Female external genitalia includes mons pubis, that is a cushion of fatty tissue covered with skin and pubic hairs. Now labia majora, the fleshy folds of tissue which extends down from the mons pubis and surround the vaginal opening. Then third is labia minora, paired folds of tissue under the labia majora. then a clitoris, a tiny finger-like structure which lies at the upper junction of the two labia minora above urethral opening. Hymen, a membrane partially cover the vaginal opening. The hymen often torn during first coitus or intercourse, but it may even persist after coitus. However, it can be broken by sudden fall or jolt, insertion of vaginal tampon, and active participation in sports like horseback riding and cycling. The presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity or sexual experience. Now we are coming to next part, that is mammary glands. Mammary glands, it's a characteristic of female mammals. Human females have paired structure called as breasts that contains glandular tissue and variable amount of fat. Glandular tissue of each breast is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes containing clusters of cells called as alveoli. Now you are confused between alveoli of lungs and alveoli of mammary glands, but those are different from each other. Alveoli of mammary glands, the cells of alveoli secretes milk stored in cavities that is called as lumen or of alveoli. Alveoli opens into mammary tubules and tubules of each lobe joins to form a mammary duct. Several mammary ducts join to wider mammary ampulla which is connected to lactiferous duct through the milk is sucked out. Now at the last, we are coming in the last. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I am working hard for you. Please give me a subscription and a like and a share. Please, that's a request. Now in the last, have a knowledgeable day ahead and thanks a lot. Bye bye.